Online teaching opportunities. There are many opportunities of every field are demanding, but there are more demanding field if you are expert and have experience of your best of skills. How you can make it? With your portfolio, with the number of testimonials, what you have teach online. So do not forget to testimonials, collect your testimonials from your students. And I get also from your feedback and things. For the end of video, you also send me a number of feedback and things to that. That is more important for every student. So collect your feedback from your students. That is opportunity. So there are a number of courses like people learn to digital marketing, graphic designing, web designing, blockchain, artificial intelligence, more courses like blockchain, data science, course like physics, chemistry, maths. If you're a teacher of computing, Quran, Nasra, any subject and any religion and anything you can teach offline, now you can move to the online platform and teach to the millions, billions of people around the internet. Yes. You know what is the population of internet? 7.5 billion, moving to the 7.6 billion. And how much active user in Facebook? Any guess? Yes, I have told in different courses you can move on these courses, but I'll tell you it is 2.7 billion and more cross people are actively on Facebook and number of platforms. Billions of people are actively on internet towards from their smartphone, and they know they want to learn. So they scroll Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, Instagram, and every social media and websites. So you're also contributing and teaching. So the opportunity for learning is earning, relearning, and more things there. You get the more opportunity to international exposure with connection with many universities and number of platforms too. You can make yourself brand as international recognition with authority to have deliver your experiences. So why you are just waiting? Create a course, create online impact, inspire the people, help more people online, and we are here to help more about there. I'm shooting my videos and things there and making my course for you. And you can come to me and I also give you more advice and platform to make your courses. So why not? So keep contact me and Rahan Foundation to help you create more courses and committed for more dedication to empower through the technology. So let's move to the another video. Thank you.